Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home?
They say never give up, never give in. Keep fighting that fight so the devil doesn't win. Through the hurt and the pain, the sorrow and the shame, the one thing you need to remember is that tomorrow is never the same. Hold on to your hopes and dreams, for your fears are less than they seem. So to all those who feel like they are losing the fight, and to those who feel like there is no hope in sight, take a minute to look at the sky and remember that there's something out there bigger than you and I. Just like today, the sun will shine again. Through the clouds and the rain, the sun still remains, and all the darkness will fade away. So hold your head high and feel the warmth. It may remind you what you are truly worth.
I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. His eyes, his song, the sparrow, and I know he watches me.